is one of the apps that have helped my life this year and has helped me to upgrade my designs. It has a pro version, okay, but you can just click on this place too. So you can see the different things it can help you to do. It can help you to sharpen, cartoonize, anima, colorize. So these are what it will look like, okay. Alright, so some of them you don't have access to them until you join the pro version, okay. So but the basic ones, these basic ones are accessible to you. Okay, so if I click on sharpen, all right, now it will bring me to my gallery and you can see the recent ones. Now definitely not every picture you find here, so if the picture you want to sharpen is not here, then you can just go click on your gallery, click on this place. You have to go to your gallery or you click here to snap a picture. All right, so the picture I want to do is not here, so I'll just click on my gallery and I'll go ahead to look at the picture. Okay, so this is the picture I want to edit. So you can see how blur this picture is. Okay, you can see how blur, but just watch out what this app will do to it. All right, now amazing, you can see what it transformed it to. Now if you want to see what it was like, just tap on the screen. You see the original, how blur it was originally. Then on top you see how clear it is. So you don't no longer have any problem when you get an image that is blur. You just need to download this app, Vividit app. Okay, I'm not trying to publicize the app, I'm trying to tell you the apps that have helped me over time. Okay, now if you want to save it, since you are using a version that is not the pro, you have to watch an ad. But if you're using a pro version, there's no need of you to watch an ad. Okay, so if you want to know about how to go about the pro version, just click on the pro and you'll see the details. So, but I just want to download it, it's free, so I just click on the download and an ad will play. Alright, so when the time is done, just once it's 30 seconds, just click on reward granted and your photo will be saved automatically to your gallery. Alright, so no need of you worrying about how blur or probably some pictures you get online, how blur they are. Just download Vividit app and you see what it can do to this picture. Another app that has helped me a lot this year or is this app called Snapseed. Okay, when you open the Snapseed, this is how it just looks like. Okay, you can get it on Play Store or any app store, you can get it there. So when I open this app, what I use Snapseed to do is sometimes just to add some fine tunings to my designs. Okay, we'll just see how I do it here. All right, just tap anywhere to open a photo. So I'll just tap anywhere and it take me to my Pixel app. Okay, so here I can get any design and let's see how it's going to really play a role in this design. Okay, let's use a design like this to just load. All right, so here you see different options for you. You see smooth, pop. Now if they are the ones I normally like to use is pop and accentuate. For sometimes it helps me my designs a lot to make them pop. Okay, now let's click on pop. We just allow it to load and let's see the effect it will give to this design. Okay, you can see the effect it gave it. Let's just tap on the screen to see the original effect. This one is darker, but pop made it brighter. Okay, darker, brighter. Okay, you can click on accentuate. Let's see what it will do to the design. Okay, so let's tap increase. So you can choose pop, accentuate. All right, so I think I like pop for this. If you don't want it to just, you can just click back on your current. All right, or you can check other aspects of this and anyone you are cool with, just click on your good. And then you also have tools, different things you can navigate here. Okay, you can increase the temperature from here, can make it brighter, okay, cooler. Okay, there are many tools for you. You can give it a vignette, anything you want, probably make the edges brighter or make it darker. All right, so there are lots of things for you to check here. You can also, if there's a picture, if there's a head, now there is no head found, but if there is a head found in this image, you can use this tool to actually change the pose of the head. Okay, now there are many things for you to, you can crop the picture, you can tune image. Okay, you can tune image, can bright and give it brightness. Okay, so there are lots of things you can do with this. So many designs out there you see, they are so amazing. They didn't just pass through the design to, okay, you can use all these apps to actually enhance your designs. And once you're done, just click on export, click on save a copy, and it's exported to your device. That's just it. Okay, this app called What the Font is an app I've used over time to get fonts from images. For example, I see a design and probably I love the font used in the design. And unfortunately, I don't know the designer or I've not come across the person that designed it. I can easily get the name of the font without even knowing the font. Okay, and What the Font is an app I've found useful over time on how to do this. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to the design. Now we're going to be doing some experiments. You need to go to the design. You go to the flyer you actually saw that you liked, and when you go there, screenshot the flyer. Okay, I'm going to show you why. You screenshot, for example, this design. Okay, now this design, I love the design, and I was trying to create a design myself, and I also needed a font like this. And all I'll just do is I'll come over here, I'll screenshot the image. All right, you'll see why we did that. All right, so going back to the font, I'll click on the font, then I'll click on image over here. All right, then you'll be asked to bring in the photo you want. Sometimes you might not end up seeing the photo. Okay, so I'll just click on it here, and your data has to be on. So this app will scan all the text in this image. It's not amazing to scan all the text in this image. Now you will want to limit it to just the one you want. Okay, so you click on these two, you click over here, over this image, this box, click on it. All right, then you go over the one you want. I just want to get the font for this Born Classic Academy. Okay, so when you click it, then click on the arrow, then it will check for results. It will search for results. It will go online, search for fonts that look like this. Okay, now one thing about this app is that it will give you different options. It will give you different things that look like this app. Okay, now you'll be seeing lots of them, and then you don't want to use your eye to check. Now something like this one looks similar to what we have up there. Okay, you could as well look for more. All right, now it's not exact, but it will give you something that looks like that. So now the next thing to do, for any font you want to get, you can't get it directly from here. All right, like click on it now, you have to buy it. Okay, so what you just need to do is, since you have gotten the font that looks like it, just click on the name, check the name. Here we have Informational Sans. You just go to your Chrome and type the name Informational Sans and download it from there. Okay, now we type Informational Sans. Yeah, you can see the font over here. All right, so something like this. Okay, some of them also sell it. All right, so you just, for example, if the app, now this is my fonts, this one also sell it too. All right, so some of these fonts are not being sold. Sometimes if you get the fonts, if you snap a picture of the font, you might find it free online, and if you find it free online, then you can be able to download it from that place. Okay, let's try one more image and see how it goes for us. Let's know if we can find it for free over there. Okay, something like this, Merry Christmas. Let's screenshot. Okay, then let's go to What the Font. Okay, let's select another picture and this one. Okay, then it will scan every font for us. All right, so we can click here to actually reduce to the one we want. Okay, let's just scan for this Christmas. Yes. All right, click on the arrow to search for results. Now you can see some fonts like that. Okay, now let's check this Strum Script bold. Strum Scripts. Strum scripts bold. So this one is a free download. Okay, so you can find it even in the font.com. Okay, here you see fonts that are similar to it. Okay, now here you can find the font exactly. So this is the font exactly. So now, okay, here this one sells it too. Now you could find some places whereby it's free, like in the font. Okay, so with this app you can be able to find name of apps you don't even know, probably the name or the person that designed it. Okay, it gives you the several options and you can be able to get the app for yourself and also use it in your design. So I don't know which of them you find useful. You could tell me in the comment section whether it was the first one, the second one, or the third one. But together with these apps, I've actually used them to amplify my designs and make my designs more amazing. Alright, so do well to use them, and I know you also find them amazing.